My dear students, welcome to Easy Maths Tamanna channel. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ Easy Maths Tamanna ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. So on the basis of that one, in the previous class, you learnt all of the things regarding to the MCQ. The chapter is arithmetic progression. So now the new chapter is nothing but pair of linear equation in two variables. Easy type of question I am not doing here, only difficult type of questions are there in this video. So the first question is this type. The value of x and y which satisfies the equations x plus y is equal to 9 and x minus y is equal to 1 are respectively. So we have to find out the value of x and y here. So on the basis of this one, you know that when the pair of linear equation on the basis of pandemic here, the remaining part, the reduction part is nothing but substitution method and cross multiplication method, and the remaining part is there, that is in the syllabus, that is elimination method and graphical method. On the basis of elimination method, we go through on x plus y is equal to 9, x minus y is equal to 1. So if plus minus is there, it is automatically cancelled. We obtained value x plus x is nothing but 2x is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. So 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10 divided by 2 is nothing but 5. So when x is equal to 5, you know that one, the 5 is answer given here. X plus y is equal to 9 is there. Substitute the value of 5 here. 5 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 5, that is nothing but 4. So this is the value. So on the basis of this one, so we can, another one thing is also there. By the helping of this one, the options are also given, that is 6 and 3, 5 and 4, 3 and 6 and 4 and 5. So instead of doing the elimination method, substitute the value of this option to any one of the equation, definitely you get the answer. For example, I substitute this 5 and 4 to this equation. Just see how can we easily find out the value of x and y. So substitute the value of x plus y. Shall we take the equation first? X value is 5 plus y value is 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. This one is also 9. So this is the task, easy task we can do easily by the helping of substitution. So elimination method, it will be take so much of time. Due to that reason, by the helping of the option, you can substitute it and finally you obtain the answer. When you substitute the value of 5 and 4 to the second equation, x minus y is equal to 1, then 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. You know that one. So when we go through on the second problem, the lines are representing the pair of equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. And 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0 are. So in the previous video, you know that when you learned all of the things regarding to intersecting line, parallel line, coincident line, and the consistent and inconsistent. So many things are there. So here on the basis of that one, you know that when the ratios are there, a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, it is said to be intersecting line. If it is equal and this one is not equal, that is parallel line. All are equal is called as a coincident line. Coincident line is if all are equal, otherwise it is intersecting in parallel line. So when we come across these equations, so shall we go through on the equation? So here the coefficient, the numerical coefficient we have to take 2 divided by 4, this one is the first equation and this one is second equation, is equal to 6 divided by 3. Another one is minus is there, get cancelled, 9 divided by 18. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this one is 3 is there. Oh yeah. So 3 divided by 6, 3 divided by 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are, 9 1s are 9 2s are. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So on the basis of this one, all are equal. So that is called as coincident line. Coincident line is the particular answer for this one. So on the basis of this one, we can conclude that so it is easy task to understand. The pair of linear equation is very easy one. So when we compare to the previous chapter, so here shall we take the third one problem. So third one problem is also might easy, I think so. So the third problem is regarding to the pair of linear equation is we have to taking the two straight line. On the base of straight line, we have to find out the value of k here. We have to find out the value of k here. So it is also on the basis of a coinciding or a parallel line or intersecting line. It having the ratio, you know that when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. The third problem is this type. If two straight lines representing the pair of linear equations. You know that one, the pair of linear equation. The pair of linear equations, the shortcut way. That is 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel. That is very important. Are parallel to each other. To each other. The value, we have to find out the value of, then the value of k is dash. The options are minus 5 by 4, B option is minus 2 by 5, C option is 15 divided by 4 and D option is 3 by 2. So this question is also solved on the basis of the ratios are given. You know that one? Some of the ratios are given. You have to go through on. So the ratios are the parallel, that means A1 by A2 is not is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This is the ratio regarding to the parallel line. So parallel one, yeah. So due to that reason, on the basis of the two equations, you know that one, the 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 and another one is 3x plus 2ky minus 2 because that is out of the, that is it is not that means it is equal to 2 0, it is equal to 2. Due to that reason we change it as to it is equal to 0. So a1 is nothing but 3 divided by 2 and b1 is nothing but 2k divided by 5 and c1 is not necessary. This is so much because it is not equal to c1 by c2 in a parallel lines. So when we go through on, what is the value of k? So I want 3 by 2. It is, if it is equal, this total term is equal, we want 3 by 2 total answer. So 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into k is nothing but we have to put any value 5 by 4 minus 2. But when I put 15 by 4, automatically it cancel. 2 ones are 2 2s divided by 5, isn't it? So next it will be converted into 15 divided by 2 5s are 10. So when I cancel this one, 3 not 5 2s and 5 3s, what will be obtained? 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So when we go through on, it is a homework assignment to you. When you go through another option, definitely you can't get it. So 15 by 4 is the right answer, the right option regarding to this question. Yes student. So on the base of option itself, you can easily gain the knowledge. And by the helping of the option only, you can search the answer also. The fourth question is a different one regarding to the pair of linear equation. So we see that one exactly. Yeah. And the fourth question is this type. In a graph, representing the graph, you know that one elimination method and the graphical method, two methods are there. On the basis of that one, here we explain regarding to the graph. The fourth question is this type. Fourth question exactly. In a graph representing the pair of pair of linear equation, shortcut way. If the lines intersecting each other, it is important, intersecting each other, intersecting each other, then equation have dash. Options are, first option, no solution, second option, many solution, that is infinite solution, and third option is exactly one solution, and D option is nothing but two solution. So here, whenever the intersecting line is there, so this is called as an intersecting line. So how many solutions are there? Only one solution, xy. So due to that reason, it having exactly one solution is the answer. Very nice, student. So I think you get the point. So on the base of fifth question, so here in the equation x plus y is equal to 5, if x is equal to minus 12, then the value of y, then y is dash. The options are 17, B option is minus 17, C option is 7, D option is minus 7. D option is minus 7. So it is easy one. How? So the value is given and the equation is also given. The equation is x plus y is equal to 5 and the value of x is minus 12. Substitute that one. X plus y is equal to 5. X value is minus 12 plus y is equal to 5. So y value is nothing but 5. So minus 12 is converted into plus 12. It is changes its sign. Y is equal to 17 exactly. So the 17 answer is given in the option, that is A option. So on the basis of this one, so we concluded that so totally the pair of linear equation is easy task, easily you can gain the marks. Here another one thing, in 40 marks, 40 questions are there in our examination. So maximum 4 to 5 questions are related to the pair of linear equation in two variables. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಸೂಚನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 4 ರಿಂದ 5 ಅಂಕಗಳು ನೀವು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ 40 ಅಂಕಗಳ ಅಥವಾ 40 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳ ಆಧಾರಿತವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.